I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Urus versus Camaro SS. We'll explore their key differences in performance, practicality, and value to help you decide which vehicle best suits your needs. One is a super SUV, while the other is a classic sports coupe. Let's dive into what makes each of these powerful machines unique and appealing to different drivers. When it comes to raw power, both deliver thrills. The Urus boasts a twin-turbo V8, launching it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.3 seconds. The Camaro SS, with its larger naturally aspirated V8, offers around 455 horsepower. It hits 60 miles per hour in roughly 4 seconds, providing a visceral, engaging driving feel. Practicality and price are where these two diverge significantly. The Urus, as an SUV, offers more passenger and cargo room, making it a more versatile daily driver. The Camaro SS is a two-door coupe, prioritizing performance over spaciousness. The price difference is substantial, with the Urus costing several times more than the Camaro SS. So which is better? It truly depends on your priorities. If you seek ultimate luxury, SUV practicality, and supercar-level performance with a significant budget, the Urus is your choice. For an exhilarating, pure driving experience, iconic American muscle, and incredible value, the Camaro SS stands out. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.